তারা বল খেলার।
They are playing football.
ইতে বল খেলার।
He is playing football.
আয় বল খেলার।
I am playing football.
Kaisel, do you know what is present continuous tense?
Yes, I know.
Okay, tell me definition of present continuous tense.
Present continuous tense is used to describe an action which is ongoing happening at the time of speaking. Is called a present continuous tense.
Okay, that's great. That's awesome. So if I ask you the positive formula of present continuous tense, can you say again?
Yes, I can.
Okay, tell me positive formula of present continuous tense.
Subject plus MSR plus verb ing plus object.
Object. If I ask some sentences from this formula, from this tense, can you say?
Yes, I can.
Okay, tell me. I will say in our mother language, but you have to translate into English language. Okay, I will say in our mother language. Can you say?
Yes, I can.
Okay. First one, I Rohingya magic book for read.
I am reading Rohingya magic book.
Ite Rohingya magic book for read.
He is reading Rohingya magic book.
Ara practice gorir.
We are practicing.
Ita ra bazar mazazar.
They are going to market.
Ara video banar.
We are making videos.
Ara ball khalar.
We are playing football.
Tara ball khalar.
They are playing football.
Ite ball khalar.
He is playing football.
I ball khalar.
I am playing football.
So that's great from this book. He has learned from this book. So if you need this book, you can order, you can see our number, you can contact me. Without any hesitation, you can call me anytime, any moment, and you will get this book. Not only this type of things, but also here are lots of things included on this book. It is a really essential book. It is a really useful book. You can order anywhere, anywhere. There is a number. You can contact me anytime. So in this book, there are lots of structure. You can get lots of things. You can get. If you don't understand, you can contact me directly, and you can ask any other question from this book. So if you need this book, you can order. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.